All right, everybody. Today we are going to look at number 25 from the 2019 STAAR exam. So, we have this question. A college student completed some courses worth 3 credits and some courses worth 4 credits. The student earned a total of 59 credits after completing 18 courses. How many courses worth 3 credits did the student complete? Well, I don't know, so I'm going to call it X. So let's say X is going to be the number of courses that are 3 credit. So the number of 3 credit courses. Now, what you may realize here, we have 2 unknowns and 2 equations that we're going to have to set up here. Well, they told me that along with the 4 credit hours, well, let's call that Y, number of 4 credit courses. So along with that, I have 18 courses total. So X plus Y should give me 18. If this is the number of 3 credit and that's the number of 4 credit, well, they took 18 courses. So, but also what I know, if I take X, which is the number of those 3 credit classes, and I multiply it by 3, which is how many credits I get per class, and I take Y, I'm going to add this to Y, and I'm going to multiply that by 4, because that is 4 credits per class. So I take the number of 4 credit classes times 4 and the number of 3 credit classes times 3, and I multiply that, and I should get 59 credits in total. So, well, I'm interested in X. So there is a multitude of ways to do this problem. You could graph this question. We could put it in the calculator. We could do elimination. I'm going to do substitution here. This seems pretty easy. So I'm going to take this. I like to number my equations, 1 and 2. I'm going to take equation 1 here on the side, and I'm going to say, well, if X plus Y equals 18, then I know, well, I need to know what is Y, so I can get rid of it in the other equation. So I'm going to subtract X from both sides, and I get Y equals 18 minus X. Well, I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put that back into the second equation right there. So let's write the second equation. Let's rewrite it. It's 3X plus 4 times, well, Y is 18 minus X equals 59. All right, now we have one equation with one unknown. So 3x is 3x plus 4, well 4, let's see, 4 times 18, 2 times 18 is 36, that would give me 72 minus negative times a positive. Remember the property of distribution here. So 4 times negative x is negative 4x. And on the other side of the equation, 59, well, I'm going to try to get all the x's on one side, all the non-variable constant terms on the other side. So subtract 72 from both sides. Here they cancel. And on the left side, well, I'll go ahead and do this equation too. 3x minus 4x is negative x equals, and 59 minus 72, I believe that gives me negative 13. And that means x, positive x, equals positive 13. Now, a quick reality check here. I know the number of 3 credits and 4 credits added together is going to be 18, so I need this number to definitely be between 1 and 18. Also, you know this has to be a whole number. You can't take half a course or something like that. So some easy, quick checks to make sure you're on the right path. Well, if this is true, then Y would be 5. And I'm going to go ahead and check myself. So I'll put this back into this other equation. Well, 3 times 13. So 13 classes, and each of them is worth 3 credit. And 5 of these other classes, each of which are worth 4 credits. I guess I did that parenthesis backward, but you multiply them together anyway. And that should give me, well, let's see, 3 times 13 is 39, and 5 times 4, or 4 times 5, is 20. And I believe 39 plus 20 is 59, which is the same thing that they gave me up here. So that's a good check. This means that, yes, there are 13 of those 3 credit courses, and that looks like answer choice A.